Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this reading is for all the Gemini people, and we will be checking what is going to happen in the next 6 months when it comes to your career. Okay, so it is going to be a collective reading. It is for your sun, moon, rising. Okay, all three of them. So let's begin. Let's see what messages do we have for Gemini for the next 6 months. Okay, so I don't know what's wrong with my doors. We will also be checking what is something that you need to be careful about when it comes to your career, what mistakes you can probably make, something that you can be aware of or mindful of. Enjoy the tranquility of water and reclaim your power. And okay, I'm getting 3 cards. Okay, all right. So firstly, we have the card of I will pray success wherever I see it. I'll just read the message for you. It says, when you find yourself critical of the way anyone has attracted or is using money, you are pushing money away from you. When you find yourself critical of the way anyone has attracted, okay, or using money, you are pushing money away from you. But when you realize that what others do with money has nothing to do with you, and that your primary work is to think and speak and do what feels good to you, then you will be in alignment not only about the subject of money but about every important subject in your physical experiences. तो मुझे यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों के लिए ऐसा लग रहा है दैट कहीं ना आपके अंदर आप किसी पर्टिकुलर इंसान को काफ़ी ज़्यादा आइडियलाइज कर रहे हो, या किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ को आप बहुत आइडियलाइज कर रहे हो. प्रॉबली लेट्स से दैट समवन हु इज़ रिचर दैन यू, एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट समवन हु इज़ वेल्दियर. ठीक है, someone who is just rich, someone who has a lot of material things. Okay, you might be probably copying them or you want to become them. Okay, because I don't think that you are dealing with someone who knows how to become wealthy. You are dealing with someone who is rich and not wealthy. I'm saying that again and again. There's a difference between the two. एक ऐसा इंसान जो बहुत पावर हंग्री है, जो अपनी खुद की पावर का मिसयूज़ करता है. ठीक है, कहीं ना कहीं ये जो पर्सन है ये बहुत मटीरियलिस्टिक हो सकते हैं. बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस दे हैव ऑल द मटीरियल सक्सेस बट दे डू नॉट हैव दैट कैरेक्टर of success. Okay, and कहीं ना कहीं I do feel for Gemini that आप लोग कुछ गलत एग्जाम्पल्स को कहीं ना कहीं फॉलो कर रहे हो, एंड यू वॉन्ट टू डू थिंग्स दैट ऑल दीज पीपल आर डूइंग. नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, सो आई वाज talking to a director of a really good organization, and we were talking, and you know what he told me? He was like that he just have 7 shirts for 7 days. ठीक है, and he doesn't like to spend his energy onto fashion and stuff like that, because he'd like to put that energy into his ideas, into his work, and etc. So this is a very wealthy and rich mindset. ओके, अब आप कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके अंदर जो एनर्जी है, नॉट अंदर बट आई वुड से कि इट्स एंड ट्रूली इट्स नॉट who you are. I don't think this is your energy, but कहीं ना कहीं ये एनर्जी आपको इन्फ्लुएंस कर रही है, जहाँ पे एक ऐसा माइंडसेट है कि अच्छा अगर आप अमीर हो तो आपके पास ये ब्रांड्स के बैग्स होने चाहिए, ये ब्रांड्स की शर्ट्स होने चाहिए. आप अमीर हो तो ये होना चाहिए, वो लग्जरी होनी चाहिए. नो, ओके सो वो कहीं ना कहीं हाउ यू स्पेंड मनी, हाउ यू वांट टू स्पेंड योर मनी, हाउ यू वांट टू अट्रैक्ट मनी, दैट इज समथिंग दैट शुड बी योर ट्रुथ. ओके, right now your truth is influenced by a lot of people and some kind of a perception. Okay, then two things that you need to be careful of is to remove stress, immerse yourself in a soothing bath, walk near a body of water or gently splash water on your face. And second is, do not give your power away to anyone. Say to yourself, I'm strong and capable, I can approach this situation with confidence and skill. So firstly, now next 6 months are about working on your power and reclaiming your power. You are already powerful. You do not need to find something, you do not need to enhance your skills, you do not need to learn something from the outside, because that power lies within you. It's just that you have given off that power to someone. Okay, and this someone could be society, this someone could be big and rich people taking decisions. अगर ये बंदा अमीर है, ये बंदी अमीर है एंड इस बंदे ने ये चीज़ बोल दी तो यही सही है. वाई? बिकॉज वो पर्सन अमीर है. नो, दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. Every rich person is not a smart person. Okay, but a smart person can become a rich person. So that is the thing here. Okay, so you really need to understand what are your experiences, what are your truths, how are you seeing the situation, and at the same time also learn stress management. Because क्या होता है कि जैसे जैसे हम अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते हैं अपने करियर में, तो बहुत लोगों का मैंने ये चीज़ देखी है दैट इट बिकम्स अ बिग ईगो फॉर देम. ठीक है, ओ मैंने तो इतना काम किया है, ओ मैं तो इतना हार्ड वर्किंग. एवरी वन इज़ हार्ड वर्किंग, एवरी वन इज़ वर्किंग हार्ड. ओके, सो हियर you are not doing anything extra or special, right? So you need to understand how to manage your stress. That is something which is very important. Okay, then we have another message. So here we have deep knowing, come to the edge and observer. इन 6 months में बिल्कुल भी अपने आइडियाज़ को एक्सप्रेस करने से डरना नहीं है. ठीक है, यू डोंट हैव टू बी अफ्रेड व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्सप्रेसिंग योर आइडियाज़, व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्सप्रेसिंग योर ओपिनियंस, फॉलोइंग व्हाट यू बिलीव इन. ओके, ऑल्सो do not rush into taking any major decision, because these next 6 months are more about observing your own style. ओके, आपका खुद का स्टाइल क्या है, आप क्या करते हो, क्या नहीं करते हो. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जाम्पल you are a healer. Okay, now not every healer is the same, which is why we have different healers. In the same way, let's say that you are a lawyer, but every lawyer will have his or her own style, right? Same is with all the creative people out there. हर musician same नहीं होता है ना. तो यहाँ पे this is the time to find your own style. Okay, in these 6 months I see you finding your own style. I see you finding what really defines you, what work you are choosing to do that is going to identify with you. ओके, कि हाँ ये पर्सन जो है ना ये तो ABC ही कर सकता है, ये जो काम है ना ये तो XYZ ही कर सकता है. दैट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड इज़ व्हाट आई फील यू विल बी बिल्डिंग इन द नेक्स्ट 6 months. ओके, लेट्स सी what else is happening in the next 6 months for you. So we have 2 of Pentacles, we have 6 of Wands, we have Ace of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, Justice, and 9 of Cups. So firstly, if you are studying for some kind of government exams or anything like that, any kind of entrance exam, there's a very strong possibility that you will be able to crack it. Okay, and I think some of you should be going into that sector. It will be very beneficial for you, because यहाँ पे काफ़ी लोगों के लिए मुझे ना ऐसा लग रहा है that you don't want money but you want reputation, you want that honor. Okay, money is like for you वो तो आता जाता रहेगा, that kind of a mindset is there. Okay, some of you may have a good financial background, so maybe you're not really caring about money, but for you reputation is something which is very important. Having the name in a society, becoming famous, being recognized by other people, that is something that really matters for you, Gemini. Okay, so I think if you do something and if you really understand this goal that मनी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आ जाएगा या इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. राइट नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू वर्क ऑन दिस, राइट नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड माई नेम, right now I want to build my brand. So that is something that you should be working on. Okay, and that is, I'm telling you, money is not your motivating factor for most of you. मुझे नहीं लग रहा money is your motivating factor. For a lot of you, I think how you feel about yourself when you do a certain task, or when you when you do your work, whatever duty you are performing in your career, in your profession, when it gives you satisfaction, that is something that makes you feel successful. So for you, success is not money. For you, success is inner satisfaction, that confidence that you get from within by doing that particular thing. This is what I see that you will be tapping on in the next 6 months. And probably हो सकता है कि पहले कहीं ना कहीं you have been blinded by money and luxury and this and that, but I don't think that you are that person. Okay, and also even though I do feel that you will be able to maintain a balance, एक अच्छा खासा मुझे यहाँ पे balance दिखाई दे रहा है कि आप balance maintain करते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हो. Financially, things, you will become a magnet to money. So I don't think that you need to prioritize money. I think you should prioritize something bigger. Okay, a purpose which is bigger than money, bigger than finances, because money is going to come to you. You don't have to worry about money at all. And in the next 6 months, I see you celebrating some kind of victory as well. Probably November and December is going to be a very important month for you, where you will be either getting recognition or you will be succeeding in some kind of a project or a goal. कुछ ऐसी victory है जो आप काफ़ी celebrate करते हुए दिख रहे हो. Okay, and it's not just you. I do see that people will be appreciating you. Okay, the appreciation that you have been looking for. I don't think, some of you come from a family where you did not receive the appreciation from your family. Okay, and that is the only thing that matters to you, कि जो भी आपने किया है आपको उस चीज़ के लिए appreciation मिले. But universe is going to make sure that you get it, maybe not from your parents but from the entire world, from the community, from the collective. Okay, so some appreciation is definitely coming, some victory is on its way, but it will take time. It will take around 5 to 6 months. And also I see you gaining a fresh perspective about something, and that is probably your relationship. Okay, I know this is not a relationship reading, but somehow I do feel that your own success and money is a big hindrance in your success. Okay, sorry, in your relationships. Okay, so once you start feeling successful from within, once you start gaining that confidence or building that career of yours, I think you will be able to have a good reconciliation, or you will meet someone who is from your past life. So eventually your romantic life is also going to improve. It is also going to ascend, which is going to be another wish come true of yours. Okay, and also I see some legal matter. या तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप इस टाइम पे किसी लीगल मैटर में फंसे हुए हो, या कोई एक ऐसी सिचुएशन आ सकती है जहाँ पे कुछ लीगल मैटर है जो क्रिएट हो सकता है. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. अगर ऐसा कुछ है भी तो वो चीज़ बहुत आराम से सॉर्ट होती हुई दिख रही है. आई सी यू गेटिंग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर एल्डर्स, फ्रॉम people whom you know. Probably universe का तो support है ही है. And at the same time I also feel that your solar chakra is getting activated. So solar chakra is also identified with the sun signifies your leadership skills. Okay, you having a great position, you having that honor in the society, people will be honoring you. Okay, कुछ लोगों को कोई official position मिल सकती है. स्पेशली इन गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर, उस चीज़ की एक मुझे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉसिबिलिटी दिख रही है. यू आर गोइंग टू मेक समथिंग हैपन. ओके, so that is happening for sure. And also I would say work more on your solar plexus, because the more you work on your solar plexus, the better your masculine side will become. Okay, you will become more of an action oriented person, you will become more of a doer than of a thinker, because कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लग रहा है ये बहुत ही फ्रेश एनर्जीज है. इट्स लाइक अभी बस ये एनर्जीज ऐसा होना स्टार्ट हुई है. इससे पहले दी एनर्जीज वर अ बिग डिफरेंट, वेयर यू वर मोर ऑफ अ डे ड्रीमर. कहीं ना कहीं एक प्रोकैस्टिनेशन होती थी, यू नो, लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन, लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, ये सब चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं रही हैं रिसेंट पास्ट में. बट नाउ द शिफ्ट इज़ टेकिंग प्लेस. ओके, एंड अ गुड शिफ्ट इज़ टेकिंग प्लेस. एंड फॉर सम ऑफ यू आई डू सी दैट यू हैव ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ योर एंसेस्टर्स ऑल्सो. बट ये बहुत कम लोगों के लिए, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कोई पर्टिकुलर एक ऐसे एंसेस्टर हैं जिनके आप बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज हो या बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज थे, वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको काफ़ी सपोर्ट करते हुए दिख रहे हैं, हु इज़ ऑब्वियसली नो मोर हियर ऑन अर्थ. And I don't know why, but this card is really, let me just clarify this card of justice. Four of Swords, Ace of Wands and Nine of Pentacles and कुछ लोगों के लिए ना मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि आपको एक अच्छी मेंटोरशिप मिल सकती है. ठीक है, इफ़ यू हैव बीन लुकिंग फॉर अ मेंटोर और समवन हु कैन गाइड यू ऑन द पाथ ऑफ योर सक्सेस एंड करियर, आई डू सी दैट यू विल फाइंड समवन हु इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट विद दैट. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो try not to work with any opposite gender probably. I don't know why, but this is what it says. And I also feel that some of you have this thing or habit where you don't want to take help, where you want to show other people that you are independent, you have all the power and you can make anything happen. अपनी ये चीज़ मत दिखाओ. ठीक है, you don't have to show the other world that you are capable of this and that and blah blah blah. You do not have to become hyper independent. Be receiving to take help, be receiving to take guidance. Okay, अपने आप को ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट दिखाना जबकि आपको पता है कि आप इतने कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो या आपके पास वो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट. इट्स ओके टू बी वल्नरेबल, इट्स ओके टू शो दैट यू आर लर्निंग, इट्स ओके टू शो दैट यू वांट एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड यू आर लर्निंग एंड गेनिंग मोर एंड मोर एक्सपीरियंसेस. ओके, सो दैट इज़ वन ब्लॉक दैट आई फील यू शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट, बिकॉज आपके पास हेल्प तो होगी लेकिन आप उस हेल्प को टाटा बाय बाय कर सकते हो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एटीट्यूड कि हाँ मुझे सब पता है, मेरे को सब आता है, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो वो चीज़ बिल्कुल भी नहीं रखनी है. एंड रेस्ट, आई थिंक इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन अमेजिंग 6 months फॉर यू एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.